What up, y'all? And welcome to another episode of the Pastrybear Cooking Show. And today, you're gonna find out why they call me the Pastrybear. Today, we're making a chocolate mango tart with dulce de leche and hazelnut. Let's get into it. So let's get all our ingredients together. We have milk chocolate, 50 grams. We have 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. We have 170 grams of heavy cream. We got a tartlet shell that's already pre-baked. We got a teaspoon of Caramelize. Now Caramelize is an ingredient, it's a type of sugar. It's used in pastry to make your pastry stay moist if you're gonna freeze it, or just add a little bit of sweetness. So let's get started. We're gonna add our cream to our pot. We're gonna let that come to a boil, then we're gonna add our Caramelize. Then we're gonna reduce or turn your heat off and add the chocolate. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I don't want my chocolate to burn. So you turn the flames off, you let the chocolate melt slowly, then you stir.
Damn right we drinking!
After we mix our chocolate and our heavy cream, we're gonna put this filling in the tartlet shell. So we're just gonna pour it until it gets all the way to the top. And we're gonna take the tartlet shell and put it in the refrigerator. We are also gonna put the remaining filling for the tartlet shell so it could set, and then we're gonna whip it up because we're gonna use that later on the dessert. So I have a disposable bag, and I have a plain round tip in it. I'm just gonna pour my mixture inside, and I'm gonna get ready for my piping. So the next step, we're gonna get onto the mango. Now, I always try to put something Caribbean in everything that I make, and today we're using mango. So we're just gonna slice our mangoes first, and then we're gonna cut those slices into cubes or medium dice. That mango look juicy as hell. So let's get ready to put this dessert together. So I bought a pre-baked dulce de leche. So what I do is I fill my bag with a plain tip. I pipe my cream and my dulce de leche. I'm gonna add my mango cubes, my caramelized hazelnut, which I'm gonna show in another video how I made that, and then I'm gonna add my rest of my garnishes. Now watch me as I plate this dessert. Now as you see, it's not really nothing difficult. This is something you can make at home. You know, if you're having a special dinner night at your house, or if you're working in a restaurant and you want to add a new dessert to your menu, you can use this one. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. You can make the shells, they take about Hope you enjoyed what I did today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment to let me know what you think about my dishes and what you would want to see me prepare next. Please follow me at Chef W Murdoch on Instagram or at Pastrybear TV.
Pastrybear TV. Big up.